In this guide, we're going over how you can farm rush coins fast here in Sailor Peace in Roblox. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But you can actually only get this from the boss rush dungeon on Sailor Island. So go ahead and make your way over to the boss rush NPC on Sailor Island. And of course, you could just teleport to Sailor Island using really any of the teleporters on the map. Once you get here, go ahead and walk in this little like main gate right here, and then immediately take a right and you're going to see the boss rush guy right here. And you could just get these rush keys by defeating world bosses. Try to stack a few keys so you can run the dungeon multiple times. If you really want to farm it quickly though, I would recommend just going to the bosses on Shibuya Station, since those are the fastest bosses to take out in the game. Or you can go to Boss Island and just consistently spawn in the night boss, or whatever that boss's name is. The first one on there, it's super easy. It only has like 2.5 mil health. But from here, you need to go ahead and, of course, just farm the boss rush itself using those keys to get the coins. And of course, you can spend those coins on the shop or the upgrades as well. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.